Myself, Yashosa. My batch name is A8. Our project is a robotic clog remover vehicle. This is the model of the robotic clog remover vehicle, and we are we are done this project and based which we can remove the clog from the manholes easily by this is we have done this project on the by removing the clog from the manholes because nowadays labor charges are becoming a lot, and by this the skin problem and allergies which was coming from the clog, it's becoming a very harsh to skin, and it can become lot of allergies from the clog of the manholes. So for that we have considering that problems, and by considering the problem we are uh, invented we had came on this design. So for by this we can design by this we are designing this clog removal vehicle for removing the clog from the manholes. The bucket, as you can see this model, we have one bucket at the middle of it. It is useful for the removing the clog from the removing the main blocked mud which we have there in the manholes. We are removing that mud from the manholes by the bucket, and this at the end we four sides we have the uh, four wheels. We are using that wheels for rotating purpose, which is rotating mechanism. By these four wheels we can do the uh, we can rotate the mechanism. Okay, now we can show this.
Okay, myself Vinay. My project name is clog remover vehicle. I can robotic clog remover vehicle. I can explain it working. How can it remove the clog from manhole? We can have one column and under the bucket undergoes the manhole. This is bucket. This is column. We can have two ropes. We can have lead screw. We can have four sets of motors with rotating mechanism are using in this project. Okay. First of all, we can have rotating mechanism for manual. Okay, can do. It can rotate at the same time. We can have column. Column undergoes the manual, and it can under it have two ropes. Two ropes are undergoing. You can see. Okay, we will continue.
Okay, now I will show the working of this model. Uh, Actually, we use this wheels for rotating purpose, which we can travel from here and there, from one place to another place, and we can at a time we can use this wheels for rotating purpose also. From like in the direction also we can use this so uh, tires, and this is the lead screw which we can useful to move the bucket in the in reciprocating manner for up and down, and this tires are useful to rotate themselves to get the clog in the bucket actually. And now I show the how the tires will move. Tires move. This way. In forward direction first, then right hand. Now we can see the right hand of the model. This is left hand. Right hand. Okay, stop. Now we can see the here we have the bucket for the main purpose of the model. It is mainly situated for the remove the clog from the manhole. So like the manholes are blocked by the mud in the manholes. Because of the mud, the water from the wastage water which we have in the manholes, it cannot flow freely. So by removing that mud only, this mainly bucket has situated here. And see, we can see the reciprocating manner of this mud of the bucket, sorry. Now we can see the yeah, this is how the it's properly work. Yeah, by taking the bucket upside, we can store the mud almost in the mud. All mud will become in that bucket now. Yeah, this is the overall. We are we can do this work. So this is the whole work of the model.